In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the beginner version of a med ball twist. So this is ideal for those that are new to core training. They want to incorporate weights into their core training. Maybe they've tried a Russian twist or a med ball twist with a medicine ball and they're not quite up to it yet, and they want a basis that they can work from to get better and then progress onto those more advanced exercises. So this is where I would start somebody off. Firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to have your legs out in front of you. So your heels are going to be touching the floor. We're not going to be taking them off the floor during this exercise tutorial. And what I want you to do is pick up your medicine ball that you're going to be using. You've got your knees bent. And firstly, you're going to find a position where you can feel your lower back and core starting to activate. Don't be too alarmed if you also feel the very top of your thighs, the hip flexors in this exercise. So what I want you to do is I want you to have the ball in front of you, start to lean back with a nice straight back until you can feel the activation from your core and lower back. And from here, I want your chest and your eye line to be looking forward. So I'm looking towards the camera here. What I am doing is I'm moving the ball from side to side. I'm trying to eliminate rotation, and I'm just starting to work on the basis of the exercise, holding my position and making sure I can have a set position that I can then work from to progress with harder variations. So from the side, that looks like this. So I've got my feet in a position where just my heels are in contact with the floor. My legs are out in front of me. I want to find that nice upright position. I've got to come back slightly to really feel my core, lower back, and I'm feeling my hip flexors a little bit. From here, I'm looking forwards as I bring the ball side to side and do all of my repetitions that are desired and required. So from here, all it is the ball is moving, my arms are moving, but I'm trying to eliminate having to rotate too much. This is fantastic for those with spinal injuries that are looking for more of a basis of an isometric contraction through the core and obliques and lower back, as opposed to lots of twist movement. Of course, if you are a beginner to core exercises, I've got plenty of progressions of this exercise up to advanced versions of med ball twists or Russian twists.